Dr. Washko, a podiatric surgeon at Modern Heart and Vascular, and your guide for this podiatric series all about keeping your feet strong, healthy, and pain-free. I earned my Doctor of Podiatric Medicine from Kent State University and completed a 3-year surgical residency right here in Houston at St. Joseph Medical Center, focused on reconstructive foot and ankle surgery. So I specialize in everything from routine care to complex trauma and limb salvage, and yes, I even was one of the first women in Texas to perform a 3D printed total ankle replacement. But more than titles and tools, my care starts with listening. Every foot has a story. My goal is to help you write a better, healthier one with personalized, evidence-based solutions that actually work. So whether you're dealing with foot pain, diabetic, foot concerns, or just want to understand your feet better, you're in the right place. Let's walk this journey together, starting from the ground up.